Hi guys, it's Matea. This is kind of going to be wonky because I'm holding the tripod, but I have this project hanging in my dress form that I recently made and just wanted to share with you guys. So at the top it's hanging with the, I think that's a Melissa Francis like shabby hanger, and it has clips on it so you can hang something from it. And just kind of going down, it's like a, it's almost like a three-piece layout. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just gonna kind of come up closer and I'll set you guys down so we can look at it. So here's the top page. Sorry for that. So here's the top page, and as you can see, I used some Wild Orchid Crafts and this gorgeous flower from a Michaels pack, and it's got like some crystal like glass on it, so it's really cute. The paper I used is the Vintage Amour by, I think it's the Paper Studio. Anyways, it's from Hobby Lobby, and I won it in Kamika's giveaway last year, and I finally cracked it out. So I just kind of mimicked each page, but these are Prima Cupids, and so I thought it looked really cute there. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit closer up so you can almost see. Isn't it cute? And then some more Michaels flowers and Wild Orchid Crafts. And then I just put some pink halfback pearls there to kind of give it a little detail. The next one, same thing. Just kind of a cluster of some flowers. Again, I love the cracked glass on there. This is a Cheerlyn Design die cut, I believe. I got that from Heirloom Anthology in Iraq quite a while ago. And another cute cherub and some more flowers and flatback pearls. And I inked everything with, I think it was Tattered Rose, Vintage Photo, and Victorian Velvet Distress ink. And then had painted all these. This was like a chipboard mini album that I just took apart and made into this. And then tying the pieces together, I've got some pink scallop lace, and I think I got that from Julie. Thank you, Julie. And then the bottom page has this cute sleeping angel, some more flowers from my stash there, and then some more flatback pearls. So I really love it. I'll bring you guys up again so you can kind of see what it all looks like. I thought it was cute for like Valentine's Day, and I'll probably put some photos and maybe a quote in the middle. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and have a great day. Bye.